In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a design in Canva. If you've come across content that feels mislabeled, harmful, or inappropriate, Canva gives you a built-in way to flag it so their team can review and take action. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect and how to make your report as helpful as possible. Start by opening the project where you found the issue. You'll need to be inside that design so Canva knows exactly which file you're referring to. Once your project is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens a menu with options related to your current design. In that menu, select Report Design. This is the dedicated path for raising concerns about the content you're seeing. A prompt will appear asking why you're reporting the content. Take a moment to choose the most accurate reason. You'll see options such as incorrect labeling, graphic violence, sexually explicit content, political partiality, abuse, hate speech, or discrimination, and other similar categories. Pick the one that best matches the issue. If more than one seems relevant, focus on the primary concern so the review team can quickly understand the core problem. After you've made your selection, click Continue. You'll be asked to provide additional details or attach a file for your appeal. This is where your report becomes truly useful. Be specific about what you saw and where you saw it. Mention which page or element in the design is at issue and describe exactly what's wrong. If the problem is context dependent, explain that context in a sentence or two. If you have a screenshot or a short supporting file that clarifies the issue, attach it here. Clear, concise details help the reviewers understand and verify the problem faster. When you're satisfied with your explanation and any attachment, click Submit. Your report will be sent to Canva for review. You may see an on-screen confirmation letting you know it's been received. From here, the moderation process takes over, and no further action is needed on your end. That's the full process. Open your project, go to File, choose Report Design, select the reason that best fits, add helpful details or an attachment, and submit. By reporting responsibly and clearly, you're helping keep the platform accurate, respectful, and safe for everyone. Thanks for watching. And I hope this walkthrough makes the reporting tool in Canva straightforward and stress-free to use.